Hello, that's el Mal Tiempo Report. En este Mal Tiempo Report hablo en español primero y después en English. Yes, that's how you say English in English. Sí. Entonces, en el noroeste pacífico hay Tifón Utor. Utor es el equivalente de un huracán de categoría 2. Sí, y Utor ha tocado tierra en las Filipinas. Y las Filipinas tienen un aviso de tifón y un señal número 3 por vientos fuertes y tiene también la posibilidad de lluvias fuertes a intensos y inundaciones repentinas y deslaves. Y también tiene olas altas, sí, en las Filipinas. Y se prevé que este tifón está moviendo hacia el oeste y es posible en el futuro toca tierra en China, Chile. Sí, en el futuro es la verdad. Y por aquí hay una zona de probabilidad, pero en el momento es baja. Tenemos algo en satélite. No sé dónde está el zona de baja probabilidad. No veo nada en esta satélite. En el oeste o Pacífico Oriental, tenemos dos zonas de probabilidad. Una aquí es 20% y una aquí es 10%. Y hay una tormenta o depresión tropical Henriette, pero Henriette es demasiado lejos de Hawái y por eso no hay ninguna peligros afectando tierra. Aquí es Henriette. Y es todo para hoy en español, ¿sí? So we go backwards in the other direction. So, Henriette, tropical depression Henriette is continuing to dissipate or whatnot and is far enough away from Hawaii, as definitely evidenced by the satellite photo that no land hazards, that's what they call it. And then we've got this 10% chance of tropical cyclone formation out here, 20%. Let's see what it is in the long term. As high as a 30. It was for the 5-day outlook, and it's presumably this one. Let's find out which one's the 30. Yes, that is 30%. So this area has a 30% chance in the next 5 days, and this 10% area just has a 10% chance in the next 5 days. This is the one that at one point had a 70% chance in the next 5 days. I forget how high it got up to, but so nothing, that thing just did not pan out. It had pretty high probabilities too. And then we've got, of course, Typhoon Utor / Labuyo. Labuyo, I have no idea about the pronunciation on that. The Philippines has a signal number 3 in effect for very strong winds for those areas, signal 2 and 1 for those areas, and of course heavy to intense rainfall is possible, and possible flash floods and landslides, and of course big waves are quite possible around the area. And yes, so that is quite... This thing is apparently right now the equivalent of a Category 2 hurricane and predicted to basically stay that way until making landfall somewhere in China. So, and depending on how big it is, could have ill effects for Hong Kong. So, that's definitely possible. So something to keep an eye on. And then, of course, I, on the satellite, have no idea what's supposed to be the low chance of tropical cyclone formation. It's somewhere out in this area. But who knows what is actually, the cause for whatever that is. Yeah, so that is what is going on in the land of tropical cyclones today. In the land of severe thunderstorm weather, where there's probably an update. Yep. So apparently, I think we just lost the tornado probability. Let's see if the images need to... Nope, those are fine. Okay, so here with the mesoscale discussions, we'll just go ahead and refresh everything, right, to see if there's anything new. So, 2 mesoscale discussions, one in effect here. Watch possible 60% chance for this area of what have we got? Nebraska, Colorado, and parts of Kansas on that one. Then we have another mesoscale discussion. Watch unlikely on that one, 20% for Virginia and North Carolina. In general today, this is the map showing the probability of severe winds, which would be winds 58 miles per hour or greater. So, of course, there's your highest threat, but 5% errors in different parts. Here's the map showing the probability of severe hail, which is hail 1 inch or larger. So similar-ish map, except, of course, it drops this area, and this area isn't as big. And then tornado chance is less than 2%. So that doesn't mean that a tornado can happen today. It's just not forecast or whatnot. It could still happen, yes. Tomorrow, 15% chance for this area. And then look how big the 5% is. And again, it kind of looks like a sea creature or something with the fin going out there into Canada. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WickedWix is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.